소통하는 시간을 가지고 마지막 보겠으면 좋을 것 같아요.
That's what I wanted. Yeah, you're so amazing. I'm so happy to create our own fan chant. So maybe I'm gonna use this fan chant as possible as I can, and not even another place. So maybe I think this is the first place that, right? I use this fan chant. Okay, so I thank you for encouraging me, and thank you for being here tonight. Thank you, I love you. So we gotta move on to the next song. The next song is the last song. But yeah, I don't know yet. Of course I know the next song is the last song, but I don't know what song is the last song because I always depend on my director. So okay, let's ask him. What's the last song?
네, 마지막 곡은 나에게 윙스입니다.
The last song will Wings. I'm really grateful to see you again. And are you? Yeah. I came to. Yeah. When was the last time that I came here? Last year, right? Yeah, a year or so ago, right? So yeah, the time I remember. That I said I couldn't wait to see you again soon, right? So I'm really happy to keep my promise. I'm really happy to see you again, and I want to make tonight unforgettable. Thank you for being here tonight, and let's rock. Thank you. Let's go. Wings.